In this video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. There are two main ways to reduce or remove shorts, though neither completely gets rid of them. Still, you can minimize most of them. First, inside the YouTube app, shorts usually appear in your feed. To reduce them, tap the three dots on the top right of any short and select Not Interested. Do this for each short that shows up. Then, tap the three dots in the short section itself and choose Show Fewer Shorts. You may need to repeat this a few times, closing and reopening the app, but eventually you'll see fewer shorts in your feed. The second method is more effective, disabling your watch history. Once you turn it off, YouTube won't generate a feed for you. Instead, you'll only see content from your subscriptions or from what you search for. To do this, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, then the settings icon. Go to Manage All History and switch off Watch History. Also, uncheck the options for saving searches and watched videos. This will make your feed blank, no shorts, no distractions. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.